something about the black, and I feel like the black is more special in this size. Hey YouTube, it's your girl Trae Cee, and we're back with another video. And I know you didn't even, you thought maybe something happened to me, or maybe I gave up on YouTube, but I didn't. I have a bunch of content on my phone recorded, ready for you. I just had some technical difficulties with my laptop, and some stuff popped up and life. So I'm really sorry about all the wait, but obviously we figured it out and we're gonna continue. But enough about me and everything. I know you clicked on this to see the Telfar, the black medium-sized Telfar, and here's my box. And I actually got it a little bit ago, but I knew I wanted to make this video and I want you guys to get the authentic reaction. But I decided, okay, black, medium, classic, classy, never could go wrong, and it's very versatile. So I'm about to unbox it right now. So yes, it comes like this. There's the dust bag. And here's the other side of the dust bag. Already. You guys ready for this? Okay, now I'm getting really excited. You know, it's just been chilling in a box in my room, but now I'm like, oh yeah, like I have another Telfar. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. Come on, get out of there. She cute. It's just, I don't know, the black, even though at first I was like, okay, if I'm gonna get a Telfar, it's gonna be a color so people can notice it and it's pop and it's like a vibe. I would never get black because, Telfar is known for the colors. However, something about the black, and I feel like the black is more special in this size. I don't know, it's very, I keep saying classy, but I picture like real New York, like Manhattan, like power suit, but you could also wear it with like an all black jumpsuit with some sneakers, some dunks or whatever over the shoulder. You could wear it at dinner. So I'm going to unlatch whatever it is. I'm gonna release this so that we could see the length. I'm gonna stand up, but I hope that I'm not cut off. Okay, so I adjusted my camera so you could see better. Here's how it looks on. Obviously, there's nothing in it. Well, not obviously, but And I'm dressed pretty casual, and it's a vibe. Maybe I could do it like crossbody so you could see. But I feel like if this is packed and crossbody, it might be, you might have to sturdy up yourself. But yep, and then I'm just gonna try like this. Can we do this? Nah, it's a little uncomfy. Now, I like my bags with some structure to it. So I know Telfar tends to lose its structure. So my plan for this bag is not to overuse it. Some people love the non-structure, or whatever the opposite of structure is. And that's fine. But me personally, I still like some stiffness to my bag. So this is not going to be my everyday bag for that reason. But if that's what you want it to be, it can be. It's very versatile, like, And what else? Oh, let me get my other Telfar. Okay, so I also have the chocolate. And there's something in it. That's why it's like this. And this is the size difference. Okay, so it's a huge size difference. And for those of you who are thinking about getting the small one, but you don't have one, you know what? It is small, but I fit what I need to fit. I could fit my phone. I could fit like my sanitizer. I could fit whatever. I have like a what do you call it? Headache. What do you call it? Advil in here. I have like tissue and lip gloss and lotion, like a mini lotion, and I could also put my phone in there. Now, when I put my phone in there, it won't snap, obviously, because when you close it, it takes up space. But I would just say, if let's say like if you want to fit something in here, it will fit. But if you need to go somewhere where you're at risk of pickpocketing, I would not do that. I would carry a bag that zips, okay? But that's just a little mini review for you on this. Let me know if you want me to do like a full video, like with styling. I also have the orange one. Let me quick show you. So here's the orange one. Lovely pop of color. And this is good because this one is not stuffed. So look at all these. Okay, there we go. So not stuffed. Not stuffed comparison. Right? And let me show you the inside of the bag. In fact, let me show me the inside of the bag because I didn't look at it. Okay. So this is inside the medium. And what's different about the medium and the small is that this has an inside pocket. Oh, and it's deep. And the logo is right there. Okay, this is obviously the tag that you're gonna pop off. I'm not wearing it with that. That's not what we're doing. It snaps just like that one. What else? I think that's pretty much it. So the medium black shopping bag. Okay, so let me know if you have any questions about the Telfars. I can't answer any questions about the large one yet. I heard it's a good like travel bag. But yes, and if you want me to do a video with me styling Telfars, let me know. Even if you don't let me know, I like that idea. So it might pop up soon. And stay tuned for my other vlogs because they're coming. I went on trips. I just had fun with friends, and a bunch of good stuff is already recorded. I'm not even promising. It's not an empty promise. Like it's there. It's concrete. So please just bear with me, and thank you for being so understanding with all my technical and life difficulties. And if you're not already subscribed, please subscribe. Please subscribe and like and comment and share. Help a girl out. And I will see you in the next video.